Ngayong Kidney Health Month, isang talakayan kaugnay sa banta ng kidney disease sa Filipino community ang inorganisa Martes sa Ontario. Ano nga ba ang papel ng lifestyle at kultura ng mga Pilipino sa pagkain sa sakit na ito? Alamin sa report ni Paula Saraza.
Kidney Health Month tuwing buwan ng Marso at sa pangunguna ng Filipino Community of Inclusion ng Scarborough Health Network. Isang talakayan ang isinagawa sentro sa kidney health para sa komunidad.
The Filipino community, which is sizable, there are quite a few just in Scarborough, has much higher rates of kidney disease than people who were born in Canada.
Kabilang si Dr. Tabo Sicaneta sa mga nagsaliksik kaugnay sa banta ng chronic kidney disease sa populasyon sa Scarborough, Ontario, na sinasabing may pinakamalaking kidney dialysis program sa Canada.
We found out that diabetes may be a very or an especially important reason for why people who are from the Philippines are getting kidney disease. It might be different for different groups of people. And diabetes is kind of unique among some of those causes because it's kind of tied very clearly to lifestyle, particularly to food intake.
Sa isang pag-aaral ng Scarborough Health Network kamakailan, natukoy na 4 na beses na mas mataas ang banta ng kidney disease sa mga Pilipinong mayroon ng diabetes at kabilang daw sa mga preventative measure, nag-uumpisa sa tamang pagkain.
Kidney disease was all over, diabetes was all over, but I love my country and I love my food from my country. So how do we integrate it so that we can have that people living up to 100 years old in the provinces kind of health, and then also at the same time have the taste. So it's been my mission for 15 years to showcase the authentic flavors of Filipino food done in a healthy way.
Ayon kay Mila Naborcuacion, isang nutrition advocate at may-ari ng kilalang Filipino restaurant, maraming paraan para mapanatili pa rin ang linamnam ng mga pagkaing Pilipino nang hindi isinasakripisyo ang kalusugan.
It's basically called nature to nurture philosophy. The first thing is use real ingredients. We are often an instant generation. We want instant powder, instant this, instant mix, instant chicken broth. And really, instant, there is a cost.
Para sa patuloy na pag-aaral at pag-angat ng awareness laban sa kidney disease, isang website ang inilunsad ni Dr. Sicaneta kasama ang ilan pang mga espesyalista. Sa My Kidney Care, maaaring matukoy kung gaano kalala ang banta ng sakit tungo sa early diagnosis at early prevention. Paula Saraza, Omni News, Toronto.